Hello guys, this is Pooja Agrawal and you are watching my YouTube channel Premium Cooking. In previous video I have shown you how to make cupcakes, but in this video I have came with unique recipe which is called Goras Pak, means butter cookies. Guys, this product is from the Goras Bhandar from Wardha, Maharashtra. Now in this recipe we are going to use cow's ghee. It will give the unique taste to our cookies. So let's start. For making butter cookies means Goras Pak, we want 200 gram whole wheat flour means maida, 100 gram powder sugar, 100 gram wheat flour means गेहूं का आटा, some almonds, 120 ml pure ghee means clarified butter, and half tablespoon baking powder. And guys, this bowl is empty for our secret ingredients which we are going to use for making our Goras Pak. Wasting time, let's start. For making cookies, our first step is add ghee in your mixing bowl. It is pure ghee and it is the main ingredients for butter cookies. It is approximate 120 ml. And with this ghee, add powder sugar. It approximately take 5 to 7 minutes. After 5 minutes, it will be properly. Mix it until it will fluffy. This step is very necessary, guys. Then do not skip this. We want this mixture so fluffy. Then mix it well until it will be properly. Guys, the flavor of pure ghee gives amazing taste to our cookies, and in this winter season it is very good for health also because we add almonds in it and wheat flour. It is very healthy ingredients for children also. After 5 minutes it will properly see we want this type of consistency. Then add half tablespoon of baking powder. And mix it properly. Guys, we are going to add one by one all the ingredients. And then add wheat flour. Now, do not use this spatula because we have to use our hand to mix this mixture properly. We are adding whole wheat flour, maida. Add in portion, guys, not add whole at a time. By using your hand, make a soft dough. The consistency of dough will soft. We are adding all maida in our mixture. Guys, see here, it is so dry. Then binding agent is very necessary while baking anything. Then you can use milk, you can use cream, or you can use mawa or khawa also in it. Mawa is the best for Goras Pak, but I am going to use this cream, malai fresh cream, for binding it because binding is very necessary. So we can bind our cookies well. I have added almonds in it. If you like peanuts, if you like cashew, then add these dry fruits in it. But this is winter season, guys. That's why I have added almonds. It is very good to health. Now you can see the consistency. Then we want binding agent to bind it. So I am going to add some fresh cream in it. As per your requirement, you can add this. Now our dough is going to ready, but it's time of secret ingredients, and the secret ingredients is ammonia powder. Guys, this is the secret of this recipe. In baking, in every bakery, ammonia is used for baking everything. It gives a crust to your cookies. Without ammonia, it will not so crusty. So I am adding this. Only 1 pinch of ammonia you have to add. Do not add more than in it. It is more sufficient. If you do not want to add ammonia, then you have to add more baking powder for making cookies. Now you can see our dough is ready. Then make a small ball and grease your baking tray. I have taken this plate to bake my cookies. You can take baking tray also. For taking same quantity for cookies, we can measure by this measurement spoon. Then take this time and make a small ball. This type and keep on the tray. And guys, in baking, preheating is very necessary. In previous video I also have told you. And then I have preheated my oven on 190 degrees Celsius for 5 to 6 minutes. Then it will take less time to bake. So preheat your oven properly, otherwise it will take too much time. I already preheated it before making balls. So guys, see, I have prepared all the balls and I have taken distance between 2 balls. Otherwise it will mix it when it will bake. Set your microwave oven on 180 to 190 degrees Celsius. I am setting on 190 degrees Celsius. I preheated it for 5 minutes on 190 degrees Celsius and then take 20 minutes timing. It is more sufficient for these cookies, but if you want, then you can rest timing. The 20 minutes is sufficient for our cookies.
Now our 20 minutes time has over and I am checking that has it baked properly or not. I think it baked properly, guys. So keep it for cooling for 10 to 20 minutes. Now see the texture of, guys. It is so crunchy and crispy. It is because of ammonia. Now you can see it is so crunchy. So guys, what you say about my recipe? If you love the recipe, do not forget to share it, subscribe it and hit on the bell icon. That can you take all the notifications of my coming videos. Test it. It's really mouth melting and very good in taste. So try Gorus Pak at home. So guys, what you say about my recipe? If you love the recipe, do not forget to share it, subscribe it and hit on the bell icon. That can you take all the notifications of my coming videos.